Welcome to Marketopia's step-by-step guide for social media marketing. If you want to increase your brand's awareness and grow your business, social media marketing, or SMM, is the ideal marketing strategy for you. Without further ado, let's get started. Social media marketing uses platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to promote your brand. It allows you to market products or services and engage with new and existing consumers. And it enables you to create engaging content that can showcase your brand's true value and story to consumers. Did you know that there are nearly 4 billion social media users in the world right now? There's no disputing that social media is a powerful tool that can help you reach consumers in ways that you've never done before. It can actually establish your brand as a thought leader and even drive traffic to your website, and most importantly, generate leads for your business. Let's start off with the first step, creating accounts. If you haven't done so already, you'll want to create a business account for all your channels. You'll need to have a personal account as well to manage each business page. When setting up your accounts, you'll want to use relevant information that aligns with your business to build your page out. You will want to list your website URL, phone number, physical address, and email on your profile. This way, anyone can find your business easily through your social media channels. You'll also want to create a banner with your branding. This can differ in size depending on your platform you're using. For example, LinkedIn uses a skinnier size than Facebook. And you'll also want to upload your logo as your profile picture. For example, Apple uses their Apple logo. Creating posts for Facebook and Instagram. Once you have finally created your online profiles, you're now set to start posting. Let's take a deeper look at Facebook and Instagram since these two platforms are linked directly. Start by finding your main dashboard and click on Planner. Select which accounts you want to post and be sure to add a graphic or photo, sometimes known as assets. After you've added the image or media asset, you will want to include a caption. In your caption, be sure to add in your call to action. A call to action can be something such as a website, a PDF, or even a phone number. Add in a location if necessary and tag any necessary companies, people who are relevant to the post. If everything looks good, you can go ahead and schedule your post out, even up to a month in advance. Now that you have a deeper understanding of how to post on Facebook and Instagram, let's look at LinkedIn. Visit your business's homepage and select Add Photo to start a post. You'll also want to add a caption and provide a call to action. Make sure you tag any relevant companies/people. You can go ahead and post if everything looks good. Keep in mind, LinkedIn does not allow you to schedule posts in advance. Everything will be live as soon as you post it. Now that you're an expert on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, let's finally move to Twitter. Like the other platforms, you're going to want to go to your homepage dashboard to start a post, or a tweet in this case. Upload your desired asset and make sure your caption meets the current character limit set by Twitter. Tag any relevant company/people and post it out. Here are some best practices. Now that your accounts are created and you know how to start posting and all the content is lined up and ready to go, let me give you some best practices. Are you familiar with some of the best practices that may help you get more leads? Let's kick off with best times to post. We recommend posting 3 times per week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday being the best. You can try to A/B test your post during times to see when you might be hitting your target audience. If you don't notice any engagement with your audience, you need to adjust your time. You want to settle into a rhythm when it comes to scheduling your post. We recommend posting around 9 a.m., noon, or 5 p.m. That way you can connect with people in the morning, around lunch, and when people are getting off from work. A/B testing can help to see where your engagement is at. Now that we touched time, let's move into hashtags. Did you know that hashtags can be used to boost engagement and your social reach? We recommend using relevant industry hashtags that cater to your market, as well as using ones that are branded specifically to you. A good mix should include popular, relevant, and branded hashtags. Use them frequently. Now that you have your hashtags squared away, let's discuss what imagery performs the best. Using real-life images as opposed to illustrations, crop your photos to match the platform's posting ratios. These typically will either be square 1x1 or vertical 4x5. And these are optimized to fit on the phone better. 90% of people that are looking at social media are looking at it from their phone. We also recommend utilizing the carousel feature and posting 3 to 4 images at once with a clear, concise call to action. It allows you to tell the story through 3 or 4 images versus one static. Last and most importantly, third-party tools for scheduling. You got your accounts and you're ready to post, but you like an all-in-one tool to help you manage all your accounts. Scheduling tools allow you to post to all platforms at once and even allow you to plan a month in advance if you like, or even in a quarter in advance. Plus, you can even duplicate posts to make scheduling a breeze. Besides scheduling, there are many social media tools that come with reporting features that can help you track ROI. These tools can provide insight on engagement, meaning they can help you see how many people clicked on your links in your caption. You can even see how many people followed you at any given time and how many impressions your post got. Congratulations. You are ready to tackle social media marketing like a champ. And remember, make sure you test out different types of posts and times. See what's working and continue to make tweaks for the best results. With plenty of practice, you will master social media marketing in no time. Interested in learning more? If you have more in-depth questions about a specific platform, visit the Help Center on each site to learn more. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn have tons of resources that can help you conquer any issues you're having. We hope this training course will help you understand how to utilize social media marketing. SMM is a powerful tool that can help you boost your brand's awareness and grow your business. Thanks for joining us. Feel free to check out more of our step-by-step guides to learn more.